You are configuring hyperparameter optimization for a model training job using the Azure Machine Learning Python SDK v2. You set up the sweep configuration with the following code snippet. From azure.ai.ml.sweep, import normal, uniform, choice. Command job for sweep equals command job, learning rate equals normal, 10, 3. Keep probability equals uniform, 0.05, 0.1. Batch size equals choice, values 16, 32, 64, 128. Number of hidden layers equals choice, range 3, 5. Determine whether each statement is correct regarding this configuration. Option A, yes. Option B, no. Correct matches. By defining sampling in this,
In my view, the correct answers are no for the first statement, yes for the second, no for the third, and no for the fourth. Row 0 is false because using normal, uniform, and choice distributions triggers random sampling by default in Azure Machine Learning, not grid sampling, which tests every combination. Row 1 is true because normal 10, 3 samples values from a normal distribution with a mean of 10 and standard deviation of 3. Row 2 is false because uniform 0.05, 0.1 samples continuously between 0.05 and 0.1 rather than picking strictly the boundary values 0.05 or 0.1. Row 3 is false because choice range 3, 5 uses a discrete choice sweep over 3 and 4, not a normal distribution.